Infusion is the best thing that we do all year.
I think it's a good way to start the summer off, to be encouraged, to come around fellow believers.
It's 5 days where you get into those meaningful conversations, you get into a deeper relationship.
We could help encourage each other in the word and in faith. You get to open up and be yourself.
You grow so much.
You're learning to serve, but at the same time, you're being fed through that learning.
If you truly want to grow in God, if you truly want to get away from the noise that's distracting you from God, you should totally come.
Don't even contemplate it or doubt it. It is seriously life-changing.
The community that you have, the worship, the people that you meet, lifelong friends, the late night conversations.
I never want to go home when I come.